How do I receive payments from my subscribers on OnlyFans?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very crucial topic for content creators on OnlyFans: how to receive payments from your subscribers. Getting paid for your work is the most important part of being a content creator, and we are here to make this process simple for you.
Setting up your account.
To receive payments, first and foremost, you need to have a properly set up OnlyFans account. This involves providing your personal information, including your real name, address, and date of birth. You must also confirm your identity by providing a government-issued ID. The important part here is to make sure that all the information you provide is accurate and up-to-date. Inaccurate or outdated information can cause delays or problems with your payments.
Adding your bank account.
Once you've properly set up your account and confirmed your identity, the next step is to add your bank account. To do this, go to the Settings section and click on the Bank tab. There, you can add your bank account details. Again, ensure all the information is accurate.
Setting your subscription price.
The next step is to set your subscription price. This is the price your fans will pay to have access to your exclusive content. You can set this price in the Settings section, under the Subscription Price tab. Keep in mind, OnlyFans takes a 20% commission from your earnings, so factor that into your pricing. Remember, this is your hard work, so make sure to price it fairly.
Receiving payments.
Now comes the part you've been waiting for: receiving payments. OnlyFans operates on a pay-per-view basis, which means you get paid for each subscriber who pays for your content. You can request a withdrawal of your earnings whenever you want. However, there is a minimum withdrawal limit, and it takes about 3 to 5 business days for the payment to reach your bank account. Remember that the timing of the payout can also depend on the bank's processing time and the bank holidays. That's it, folks. We've covered how to receive payments from your subscribers on OnlyFans. Remember to keep all your information updated, set a fair price for your work, and regularly withdraw your earnings. We hope this video was helpful and cleared any doubts you had about the payment process on OnlyFans. Happy creating!